According to research by Cornell University, in which 139 people took part, the average participant made an estimated of 226.7 daily decisions about food. If you're struggling with your relationship with food, know that you're not alone, okay? What we eat can have a major impact on our mental well-being because food affects how we feel, as well as impacting our physical health. It's not just about food. It's deeply intertwined with our emotions, self-image, and mental health. Recognizing these patterns is the first step towards healing. It's about understanding that food is not the enemy, and neither are you. When you eat well, this enables a win-win situation of boosting the physical energy level and enhancing your mood by positively altering metabolism and brain chemistry. I'm one who believes that healing begins in the mind. Cultivating a positive mindset is crucial. It's about replacing self-criticism with self-compassion and fear with understanding. However, eating healthier isn't about eating less or eating clean. It's about eating well-balanced, nourishing food and not about restricting or limiting your diet. With that in mind, in order to eat well for optimal wellness, we must 1. Focus on what you can eat rather than on what you can't. When making food choices from a self-care perspective rather than a self-control, with the goal being good health and well-being rather than lose weight, you will foster healthier eating habits. On the other hand, when you restrict certain foods such as sugar or carbohydrates and partake in diets that restrict your intake, you often end up eating more. In 1999, clinical nutrition study of 3 to 5-year-old children attending a daycare in Pennsylvania State University Child Development Laboratory, that was a mouthful, found this to be especially true for children when they've been pressured into restricting their food intake or eating less of certain foods. They'd end up eating more of that restricted food. Aim to teach yourself moderation rather than restriction by focusing on choosing nourishing foods rather than on limiting bad foods. You can create a healthier relationship with what you put into your body. 2. Learn to listen to your body. Understanding nutrition is key. It's not about strict diets, but about nourishing your body. Learn to listen to your body's needs and respond with love and care. Teach yourself about intuitive eating. This involves trusting your body and listening to your hunger cues so that you can better self-regulate how much to eat before you are full. The goal is to finish meals feeling physically and emotionally satisfied rather than angry or ashamed. This is a happy alternative to turning dinner time into a battlefield. 3. Enjoy foods as a topic of your conversation. Talk about fullness and hunger and what you are eating and why. Have conversations during meals about where the food comes from, how the food is grown, and why it is good for you or less good for your body. 4. Plan balanced small meals and light snacks. Each day should include 2 to 3 portions of calcium-containing foods, at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables, along with nutritious protein sources, whole grains, balanced snacks, and small portions of carbohydrates at each meal. Carbohydrates are energy-giving, but are easy to overeat in large portions. A small fistful of pasta, potatoes, or bread is enough to provide the body with energy. 5. Try going for 1 to 2 meals a day. Eating 1 to 2 meals a day, often referred to as intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating, can be a part of a healthy lifestyle for some individuals. This eating pattern may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain health conditions like diabetes, or those who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a history of eating disorders should consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to their eating patterns. It's crucial to ensure that these 1 to 2 meals are nutritionally dense, providing the necessary macronutrients, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals your body needs. Pay attention to how this eating pattern affects your energy levels and your overall well-being. Some people may experience increased energy and focus, while others might feel lethargic or irritable. So, back to tip 2, learning to listen to your body. 6. Choose good mood foods. Certain foods are known for their mood-enhancing properties, thanks to their nutritional content. Blueberries, almonds, spinach, and leafy greens. Tuna, oranges, bananas, sweet potatoes, whole grains, avocado, nuts, and seeds. Sardines and fatty fish. Oats, lentils, and beans. Chicken and turkey, yogurt, fermented foods, dark chocolate, and oysters have all been shown to enhance mood. Including a few of these in your daily diet might help improve your overall mood. 7. Drink more water. Our brains operate so much better when our bodies are well hydrated. There's literally no excuse for not drinking the recommended 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. You can download an app or simply set alarms to remind you on your phone. Or you can use physical cues. For instance, drink water every time you send an email or finish talking on the phone. 8. Eat and drink more fruit and vegetables. Lean into green smoothies and fresh cold-pressed juices on a regular basis. Aim for antioxidant-rich berries and vegetables. Smoothies are a wonderful way to consume more leafy greens, as spinach and kale make a good base for other fruits and vegetables. 9. Eat mindfully. Use all your senses of smell, touch, hearing, and sight, just as much as you would taste, to fully enjoy each mouthful. How does the food sound as you chew? How does it smell? What does it feel or look like? What are the colors on your plate? Mindful eating helps you to focus on the process of eating and become aware of when you are actually full, which is less easy when you're stuffing your food into your mouth on autopilot or when you're just simply distracted.
Stay focused.
And number 10, stay active. Physical activity is not just about exercise. It's about reconnecting with your body. Gentle activities such as Pilates or walking can really help you rebuild your relationship with food in a healthy way.
The role of mindset in the context of eating and overall wellness is profoundly significant. Mindset refers to the established set of attitudes or beliefs that one holds, and it plays a crucial role in how individuals perceive and interact with food and their bodies. Here's what a healthy mindset shift might look like. From negative to positive self-talk, changing the narrative from critical and harmful thoughts about one's body or eating habits to more compassionate, understanding, and positive affirmations. This shift helps in building self-esteem and reducing the guilt often associated with eating. Growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset involves seeing challenges, like changing eating patterns, as opportunities for growth rather than insurmountable obstacles. It's about learning from setbacks rather than feeling defeated by them. Resilience and recovery. Building a resilient mindset helps in coping with the ups and downs of recovering from disordered eating. It involves recognizing that progress is not always linear and that perseverance is key.
Every step forward is a victory. Celebrate the small wins, like enjoying a meal without guilt or choosing self-love over self-judgment. Did I miss a great eating well tip? please share yours in the comments below. Finding food freedom is a journey of self-discovery and healing. It's not linear, and that's okay. Be patient and kind to yourself. For more resources and support, check out the description below. Remember, you're capable of breaking free and finding peace with food and yourself. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your health and mindset by eating well to feel well, staying connected, and choosing joy. Bye.